Hi everyone, this is Sanjay and welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjay Joy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay your income tax due amount in installment with zero interest. So let's say you have a income tax due, your individual tax return due for last year or the year before last year. Then you can pay it through your phone in an installment basis, and there is no any hidden charge or there is no any interest rate you have to pay. So it's the actual amount you have now, so you will pay it in a different installment. So it is easy for you. In this video I'm going to show you through my phone. Go to your Chrome or any browser, log into your MyGov account, and then this dashboard will open, MyGov page. So just go to right hand side 3-dot menu and then sign into your account. Use your email ID and password. I'm doing here. Now just click on sign in button and then you will get a code in your phone. Enter your code there. So this MyGov homepage open, and then now you need to go to the view and link services. Just not here. Scroll down, and then Australian Taxation Office ATO. Click there. Now this, if you have a tax due, then it will show like overdue, income tax overdue. Click there. So here, if you want to pay in a full, not in an installment basis, then you can come here and click on credit card or BPay. Then this section will open here. So here, normally what you need to do is enter your details, bank details here, and then just next and pay it. So this is for if you want to pay in a full amount, on not in an installment basis. Okay, this is for that. So I will show you how you can pay if you want to pay through the installment. So just click on the left hand side 3 button and then click on tax, then payments. Now payment plan. So I understand this is the kind of description. If you want to read it, then you can read it. Click on start. Now you want to pay, you need to pay full amount. So click on full amount, but other payment option. Click on other payment option. So payment frequency, lump sum, weekly or monthly. I'm going to click on monthly. Now which date of the month you want to pay, that is payment date. So I'm going to put 31st of every month, so the 31st of January. And how much will your upfront payment now how much you want to pay, just go to 5% or whatever you want. And then how much will your installment be, so every month how much you want to pay. I will try with $100. Let's see what happens. So I'm trying with $100, and then it's showing like maximum duration for payment arrangement exit. So there is a certain duration for you, so you have to put at least minimum amount. So I will try with 120 now. So if I try with 120 per installment, then it's some per month installment. So yeah, it's okay to pay 120. Now if I pay 120 per month, then I need to pay 19 monthly installment of 120 each, and the last installment will be $21.13, and total including zero estimated general interest charge. So there will be no estimated charge. So I told you before, so it's without interest rate. So if you don't have money now, or if you have money but you don't want to pay right now, then you can do it installment basis with 0% interest. And you can also call ATO if it's showing the amount in the interest rate, and you can explain your scenario. That's the things. So here, so it's showing total including 0.00 estimated general interest rate charge. So if here you got an amount like certain percentage of interest amount, then you can just call to ATO, explain your scenario there to them, and then maybe they will agree with you, and they will set up without the interest rate amount. Okay, then just if you are happy with this, just click on tick this box to sign the declaration with the identification details that you used to be login. So I will submit it. and I already have a bank set up while I did my tax return. So if you have not done the tax return yet, then I already upload the video related to how to do tax return in Australia. You can watch that video, and you can do your tax return by on as well. And if you want to apply for your TFN, and if you just arrive in Australia and you don't have that much idea about the Australian things, you want to apply for ABN, or you want to apply for your police check, then you can watch my video. I have already uploaded a lot of video relating to that. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel and like the video. That means a lot to me, and I will upload more important video to you guys. Thank you for watching me.